Hi there. So today we are making some Traeger Flatrock Griddle cook stuff, and the first thing that we're getting started with are yummy. These are griddled onions, or would you just call them grilled onions? I don't know. We'll decide later. But these are flat top grilled onions. It smells so good. All we're using is some oil with them. We used an avocado olive oil blend, put it on the grill, and then we got started with the onions, and there's some salt and pepper on there. So it smells so good outside, and we could use these in a bunch of things, maybe on some eggs, but I think the first thing they're going in are some quesadillas. So stay tuned. So the first thing that you need to do is prep the onion, remove the skins, cut off the ends, slice the onion in half, and then divide it into thin slices. Well, I'm obviously showing you how to make grilled onions. You could also thinly slice some red peppers or bell peppers too. So here we're just preparing the avocado oil. Wow, you're ready to hibachi. Is a lineup. We're just gonna make some griddled onions to get started here. All right. So here we preheated the Traeger Flatrock Griddle to about medium high. Added on that avocado blend oil. It's avocado and olive oil. You could also just use vegetable oil. Then on to the griddle went delicious onions, just ready to be all fried up. Turn it down. All right. We're back in the kitchen. Oh. They smell so good. And then it's time to add the salt and pepper. Onto this one onion that's all sliced up, we added about half a teaspoon of salt, maybe a quarter teaspoon of pepper. God, it smells so good. By this point, the griddled onions are so close to done, but we wanted to get them a bit more caramelized, so we shut the Flatrock Griddle lid and cooked them just a few more minutes. A little bit lower on medium heat. I feel like if I can't find you, you're just going to be out here griddling things. Yeah, I like it. All right, and now these are done, and we actually ended up putting them on a quesadilla, but griddled onions made on the Traeger Flatrock or whatever griddle you have would be so delicious from breakfast to lunch to dinner. All right, and just some cleaning action for now. So you have to basically season the griddle like you would a cast iron skillet once it's done cooking for the day. So we just use regular vegetable oil to do that. Here's a little look at how yummy these onions on the griddle turned out. And here are the griddle quesadillas we made on the flat top right after griddling the onions. Mozzarella. Now I'm going to add some cheddar on top, and I still have to add my toppings. This right here is leftover smoked chicken. I smoked the chicken on the Traeger. It was a whole chicken. You can get the recipe for smoking foods like that on the Traeger at Sip Bite Go. And so the next day, it was so good in this quesadilla, we just added some oil to the part where we were gonna cook the quesadilla on the griddle, and whoa! Everyone was freaking impressed. So this cooked up so quickly. The cheese was all gooey, melty, delicious. Yum. Look at this, so delicious. Woo, there we go. All right, stay tuned for more delicious griddle recipes at Sip Bite Go.